Have you ever wanted to remove the background from your video or photo without using this complicated software, and if you find it difficult? Don't worry. In this video, right, I'm going to show you how to remove the background in just one click using Capcut. You understand? So no green screen, no stress, just a quick and easy method that anyone can do from right from their phone or PC. You understand? If you're using Capcut PC, or you're using, or the Capcut is on your phone or Capcut mobile, trust me, this method is very easy, right? So if you're a content creator, photographer, or editor looking to improve your videos, this trick will save you a lot of time. You understand? So let's jump straight into it, and I will show you how it works. So hi guys, it's Iglo here. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to this tutorial. If this is your first time of coming across my video or coming across my channel, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification button, so that you can be the first person to be notified anytime I post valuable content like this. And also do well to share this video so that others can also benefit from the video as well. For my amazing returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. So what we do basically on this channel is to help photographers, videographers improve their skills. And even if you are a graphic designer, we do a whole lot on this channel. You understand that you're going to learn a lot from. Like for the past few weeks, past few months, I've been like majorly focused on photography, right? And if you look at the description of this channel, right, you will agree with me. You will see that this channel is meant for both video and photography content. You understand? So today I'm going to show you how to easily and with one click remove your video or photo background here in Capcut, whether it's a Capcut PC or it's a Capcut mobile. So let's dive into it. All right, so let's open the Capcut app. So we are opening the Capcut app now. So let's wait and see for the app to open. Now the app has opened. So let's come to create project. It's going to be a new project. So click on it. So we're going to import, and you can see drag and drop videos, photos, and audio files. You understand? So you can actually drag your folder or your file here, or you click on this plus sign here to bring them on. So I'm just going to click on it, import. Yeah, you can see, right? So we're here now. So my folder is on desktop. You understand? So I'm just going to, you can see it's here. I'm going to, the file I want to use is on this folder, G and V folder. So let's import. All right, guys. So we are here now. We're here, right? So I'm just going to click on the folder. You can see. So I'm going to use this video to show you how to remove the background of your video or your photo in Capcut. You understand? So that is all right. Now, please don't mind my model. I caught her unaware while she was vibing to a song. You understand? So, so another thing I also want you to understand, I also want to show you is that I've color graded this video. You understand? So I shot this video. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, so I shot this video like this. You can see, right? I shot it flat. Like this is how I shot the video, right? And this is graded. You can see. So I shot it like this, and I graded it, and this is the graded version of the of the video. You understand? So if you want me to do a tutorial on how I color graded this video, you can comment color grade in the comment section, and I'm going to do that as well. And also, if you also want to have access to the color grading preset that I use in transforming this video, right? So you can also do well to comment color grade presets in the comment section, and I'm going to send it across to you. You understand? So let's dive into it straight. So what we are here for today is not color grading. You understand? So if you want me to do a separate video on how I color grade my videos in Capcut, Premiere Pro, do well to let me know in the comment section, and trust me, I am going to do that as soon as possible, right? So just like I said, I'm going to show you how to remove your background, video or photo in Capcut with just one click. So let's get rid of this, right? This is not what we want. So the first thing first is to duplicate this file. You understand? We're going to duplicate it, right, so that we can have before and after. So, and to duplicate it, hold your Option or Alt from your keyboard, then drag it up. Now the file has been duplicated. You can see can see this one, you can see this one, you understand. So what we are going to do now, the duplicated one is the one we are going to, remove the background. You understand what I'm saying, right? So click on the file, right? When you click on the file, so come here. So there's every possibility that you may meet it in any of these features. You can see we have video, audio, speed, animation, tracking, adjust, AI style and all of those things, you understand. So you can see if we check now, you will see what they are used for and how they can be used, you understand. But our focus today is how to remove background from our image or photos, you understand. We don't really have business with other pictures. So wherever you meet it, make sure that where you are coming to is video, you understand, because of course this is video, right? So click on video. When you click on video, you see something like basic, remove BG, mask, and retouch. So our focus today is remove BG, remove background. When you see something like remove BG, it is remove background. The BG here is background, you understand. It's an acronym of background, so take note, right? So now we are going to click on it. So when you click on it, right, when you click on it, you're going to see auto remover, custom remover, and chroma key, you understand. So our focus is just on auto remover, just like I said that I really don't want to take you through a longer process. I don't want to I just want to show you with one click how you can remove your background, you understand. So we're just going to click on it. When you click it, you're going to see that it is processing, you understand. You can see it is processing. So we're going to wait till it processed finish. Now this processing, right, it is going to the duration of this processing is largely determined by the duration of your video, you understand. So if your video is short, it is going to be very fast. If your video is long or maybe like longer, so also expect a slower processing, you understand. So it's very important. Another thing is, unlike pictures, right? So video takes a bit longer time than pictures. If it is pictures, the moment you click it, once you hit click, right, so once you click it, within few seconds you are going to have the background removed, you understand. So but if you look at this now, right, if you look at this now, so we're going to wait till it process to 100 and it will remove it. And trust me, that's like the serious part, because as a matter of fact, we are literally done now. So but we're just waiting for the processing to complete 100% and we'll see our results. So, and don't fast forward this video, right, because at the end of the day, after removing the background, I'm also going to show you how to use this stroke, you understand. I'm also going to show you how to use this stroke. So let's just wait and see how Capcut is going to help us remove this video background with just one click, you understand. So you can see the video, right? So it is processing. So let's just give it time a little bit, right? I really don't want to fast forward it so that it will look as if I did something else, you understand. So let's just wait and see how the Capcut is going to help us remove the. So you can see it's still loading. This one is even a bit fast. Why? Because the video is not really like heavy like that, you understand. So we'll just wait for Capcut to help us remove the background. So if you want me to take you through how to use Capcut PC, like how to edit your video from start to finish, let me know in the comment section, you understand. And I'm going to take my time to do justice to that. I'm going to take my time to do that, you understand. So, and guys, if you watch this video to this moment and you are yet to subscribe, please do me the honor, do me the favor by hitting the subscribe button, because that's the only way you can motivate me, to keep showing up, keep dishing out valuable content every week on this channel, you understand. So for my great and amazing subscribers from various parts of the world, Asia, Europe, USA, Africa, thank you guys so much. I think I may just have to okay, this is 63 now. I think I may just have to fast forward it a little bit, right, so that you can just get to the final part of the video, you understand. So I really don't want to take longer time, you understand. So guys, you can see the background of the video has been successfully be removed. You can see from this to this, You can see. You can see. So this is how to remove. Now, just like I said that, I promised that I'm going to show you, what's it called? I'm going to show you how to use the stroke, right? So the stroke now is the border. You understand? So let's take it. Is the border. You can see. You can choose to reduce the size or increase it. You can see. You can also choose to reduce the opacity, that is from reducing the intensity of the clarity of it or the quality of it, right? You can see how obvious it will look. You understand? So you can literally choose anyone. You can choose anyone. You can see. You can see. You can see. This is it. All right, so let me just divide the screen so that you can see it very well, right? So to divide the screen, I'll just hold this one, just drag it to this. Okay, let me just drag it to this side a little bit so that you can see it very well, right? Yeah, good. Then drag this to this. So I have to do this so that it will fit in the screen very well. You understand? So you understand. So now let me play so that you can see. You can see everything, right? So you can see, guys. You can see. You can see. So and play it again so that you can see, guys. Can you see? Just watch and see. This is how to remove your background. This is how to remove the background of your video or your picture in Capcut, either Capcut PC or mobile Capcut. So guys, if you've learned, so guys, we've come to the end of the tutorial. If you've picked anything, or if you picked anything from this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so, and let me know what you want me to talk about in my next video. And trust me, I am going to do that as soon as possible, guys. So see you in my next video. Bye.